Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Overwatch 2 closing problem. If you want to fix this problem, first click here and then go to type here enable Xbox game bar. Make sure to turn it off and then go to graphics settings, turn it on. You can turn it off whenever you want. After that, restart your PC. Don't forget that, restart your PC. Go to GeForce Experience, check for updates, and then install latest update for your graphics card. Now the last thing, go to Task Manager. Click on Memory to see application that takes your memory. Now close all the applications that you know what they do, like any VPN or stuff like that, and then try again and your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.